Hello and welcome to Beer Can Bushcraft. Well, my son has had a go at these two City Rakes and so I've had to make another one. This one. So you can see that. Is that focusing? There. Well, all I've done is get a hacksaw blade. It's not finished really. I haven't really polished it and cleaned it up or anything, but I quite like the City Rake. And all I've done is sort of copy the one that I made originally, which is that one. But I just did it by eye, quite frankly. Cut it out of an old hacksaw blade, as I say, and so there we go. That's that. Tension bar, well, or tension tool, or whatever you want to call it. I put a bend in it because it was too far over. I couldn't quite handle it. So let's give it a go and see if it works. Well, it took me about I don't know, a couple of hours to make it, I suppose. I haven't spent a lot of time on it, but it must have taken me a couple of hours by the time you get it all out and put everything back again and everything. Anyway, so it's all locked up. Let's give it a go. There it is. It's this lock is, chastity belt lock. Oh, taking a bit of time. There we go. Give it another go. Best of three. There we go. I don't know. It's such an easy lock, really. And once you get the hang of it, it just goes very, very quickly. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, well, there we go. Thanks, and put that back in there. See you later.